Children of God, recently a beautiful piece of news came from the United States. A Filipino priest was elected abbot of Mipkin Abbey in South Carolina, a well-known Trappist monastery. Father Gerard Jonas Palmares, the newly elected abbot, served 19 years as a priest in the Archdiocese of Lipa, Philippines, the last 11 years of which as Archdiocesan Chancellor, before answering God's call to the monastic life. The Mipkin Abbey is part of the Roman Catholic Order of Cistercians of the Strict Observance, commonly known as Trappists. For many people, this was a surprising moment because the community is small, contemplative, and rooted in a different culture. The new abbot grew up in the Philippines, far from the quiet marshlands of South Carolina. His election showed that God's call often crosses cultures, backgrounds, and expectations. A man from Asia was entrusted with shepherding a monastery in America. It was another reminder that God writes surprising stories.